It kind of had that like muffly sound, but now it just sounds super crisp. It sounds really good. I'm really glad it sounds really good because there's a lot of work to get these in. Here's a bass. Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe for more BMW content, and visit us at KiesMotorsports.com. In today's video, we're going to show you how to install the BimmerTech Alpha One speakers in Edwin's G20 M340i. There are a variety of options. Say you're just looking for subs, you can do that. There's various packages that you can get for your car. So say you don't want to do the whole thing, you don't have to. You can pick and choose what you want to install. Now, when it comes to actually reviewing what the speakers sound like, we realized that YouTube compresses everything. So no matter how good of a microphone we record with, you could be listening with studio grade headphones or dollar store headphones. It's not going to sound all that good. So we're going to give you our opinion on what it sounds like and the subtle differences and whatnot. But I just wanted to set the expectation that listening to a YouTube video, no matter how good your speakers are, YouTube is compressing our video and it's never going to sound right. You have to really hear these in person. So with that, we use Epidemic Sound in our videos if you were curious about that. It's copyright free music. You do have to have a paid subscription. So we are going to play an Epidemic Sound that's copyright free. So let's jump in the car, see how it sounds, and then we'll install the speakers and then we'll give you our opinion on how it sounds. All right, we have our song all queued up. Let's do our initial test. So from the factory, the Harman sounds really good. So really curious to see what the BimmerTech is going to do on top of the Harman. The song has a good mix of highs and lows, and I mean, it's a Harman system. It sounds really good from the factory. So let's get those speakers installed and do another test to see how it sounds. All right, we are finally done, and I can't wait to see what this sounds like. So let me sync up the phone real quick here. So immediately, it sounds more crisp. I'm not an audio technician by any means, but the bass hits really nice. And it just sounds very clear. Not that, how do I explain this? This is really hard to, this is why we don't do audio reviews. No, it just sounds super clean. That's really the best way to explain it. It sounded before like, you know, like when you have a speaker and you have like something over it and it kind of muffles it. It kind of had that like muffly sound, but now it just sounds super crisp. It sounds really good. I'm really glad it sounds really good because there's a lot of work to get these in. Here's a bass. I feel it all through my body. It's amazing. So Zach has like a, what is a 14-inch subwoofer in his car? 15-inch. These things hit pretty good. For under seat little subwoofers that are OEM replacements, unbelievable what you can do with just speakers. I think these sound really, really, really nice. Yeah, the best way that I can explain it is the bass hits harder and it sounds a lot more crisp and clean. Sounds like the factory system sounds really good. And it's amazing because when you listen to the Harman originally, it's like, it sounds really good. Like, honestly, it's like, why should I upgrade? But if you are looking for just more clarity and just more refined sound that comes with the car, totally the way to go. Now, if you have bass, it's like super drastic because you're basically going 2 stages up. You're going, you know, above even Harman. So if we put Harman in the middle. But yeah, overall, I'm super happy with this. I'm sure Edwin is going to be thrilled and is going to love it. And yeah, my car doesn't sound this good, so I'm just gonna play the song again. So anyway, once again, my name is Brian. That's Zach behind the camera. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more BMW content and visit us at kiesmotorsports.com. And for links to all of the products and tools we used in today's video, be sure to see the description below. I'm gonna listen to the song, but I'll see you in the next video.